We also talked about number 7 on page 364 in class, and at least one way was shared. The students came up with lots of different ways of breaking up this. Again, we just focused on area. We did not focus on the perimeter. So you'll want to think about multiple ways to do it. I'm just going to show you one way in this video, and know that it's important to come up with more than one way. Maybe if it doesn't take long, I'll do another way. So first of all, they broke it up into 3 rectangles, and then really tried to find the dimensions of each side length before thinking about the area. So for example, this bottom right side length, we know that this is W because the one on the top is W. The middle bottom side length, that has to be Y. And this left bottom side length has to be U, which is the entire bottom, minus W plus Y. Now if I go along the left edge, this edge, if we think about this one, we know it has something to do with V, which is opposite it. But V is too long. So we might need to look at it as the entire length. So it's V and X is the entire height, but minus Z. So this is V plus X minus Z. You might want to take a minute and think about that one. Then this little top side length right here. Again, you want to think about the entire length, which was U, but we're taking away Y and W. So Y plus W. Oops. All right. This next length is Z, and then we have Y, X, W, and V. So now we have all our side lengths labeled. We might want to label these inside ones as well. This is V, and this length we know is the same as this length, right? So these are the same. So the area of the right rectangle would be V times W. Sorry, I wrote that oddly. The area of the middle rectangle would be Y times, this is V plus X, the long side is V plus X. And the area of this left rectangle, I'm going to put it up here because it's already messy, is V plus X minus Z times U minus W plus Y. And the area of them all together, all we'd have to do is add those 3 rectangle areas. So I'll write at the very bottom, V plus X minus Z times the quantity U minus the quantity W plus Y plus Y times the quantity V plus X plus VW. Okay, so that is one expression. You can obviously do more than one expression. If you were to break it up or look at it in a different way. So another way to break it up would have been to look at it as this rectangle and then these rectangles. Still do these if you wanted to. Okay. So you could do that, or you could, let's go back, and you could also look at it as a whole. So we're going to look at the whole thing, and then subtract out this rectangle, subtract out this rectangle. That would be another way to look at it. The important thing is to find the different dimensions.